How to get a middle part.
We're gonna see all that when I do go ahead and try it on, so yeah.
Alright, so right now I'm just going in, trying on my wig, making sure that it fits my head correctly. And as you guys can see, the hair does come pre-plucked for you. It also comes with the knots bleached. It does have like a really nice constructed hairline. It does mimic your real scalp and natural hair. It just gives you like a more realistic look. Straight out the box, your wig does come parted with a side part. I wasn't really feeling it, so I did go in and create a center part. I wanted like a middle part, a cute middle part. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm taking my hot comb, making sure that the hair is flat and nice. At first it was not getting as flat as I wanted it to, so I did have to go in with my wax stick, and once I did apply the wax stick, it got extremely flat. So the wax stick is definitely needed for this wig, especially if you want like a really flat and sleek look. The hair quality that was used is their 100% human hair, which means no shedding, no tangling. The hair is super soft, super shiny. Also, you do have the option to wear this wig completely glueless. It does come pre-plucked, like I said, pre-bleached, and it's definitely beginner friendly. After achieving the parting space that I wanted and flattening down the top of the hair, now I'm just going in and cutting off all of this excess lace. Pretty much how the wig was looking once I was finished installing it. Absolutely beautiful, you guys. Like, honestly, I don't have any complaints with the wig itself.